Hello guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. This is Komal. We are starting with the current affairs series in which we'll be primarily focusing on the GK section of this and CMAT exam. The aim is to prepare you people for GK section and we'll try to upload videos on daily basis. Guys, प्लीज ध्यान से देखना ये वीडियो बिकॉज हो सकता है इसमें से एक्चुअली आपके दो तीन क्वेश्चंस आ सके बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट. So let's just start with our very first area, which is sports. So, as we all know, National Sports Award is a big and honorable module, and sports awards are given every year to recognize and reward excellence in sports. Let's know about its background a little. So, like when and why it's been celebrated and what was the theme of 2020. So it's been celebrated on 29th of August every year on the birthday of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand Singh, and the theme of 2020 was Hemant Singh. Basically, it means sports are considered very important for the physical and the mental development of humans, and the person who plays any sports remain always healthy. Now we have got the little idea about it. Let's just move further and talk about it in more detail. So, the Government of India has announced the list of winners for the National Award 2020. And guys, pay attention now because this is a very important point. So, Mukundakam Sharma, he is the head of the selection committee, who is the former judge of Supreme Court of India. And the second name, which is very important on this slide, is Kiran Rijiju. He is the current Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Guys, I have mentioned these two names in the very first slide of our PPT because see what happens. We always try to remember or go after the names of the sports person, but sometime in the exam, what the examiners do, they sometimes ask the external factors like the minister or the selection committee head, which we don't really expect. So you should be knowing about the holistic picture. So, guys, after this, we can actually move to the categories of awards. So, the very first category is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Let's just understand what does it mean. So, the first point is it is the highest sporting honor of the Republic of India, and it is honored for their spectacular and the most outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years at international level. So, two things which are very important on this slide are the first person who received this award and the youngest person who received this award. So, the first person is chess grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand. He received this award in 1991 to 1992, and shooter Abhinav Bindra has received this award in 2001. So, guys, this is an additional information which is very important, and since this is a static GK question, so there are high chances of them asking this question. And yeah, one more important thing is अभी तक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने 43 अवार्ड्स दिए हैं in this category, like in Rajiv Gandhi category. Okay, let's quickly move to the list of people who has won this award. So there are 5 people who has won this award. Let me take you step by step and person by person. Rohit Sharma. So Rohit Sharma is the fourth person who has received this award in the field of cricket. Like inse pehle, Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli has already won this award, and he is the fourth person who has got this award. Now our next name is Mariappan T. He's an important personality. Why I tell you? Because he's India's first Paralympian gold medalist since 2004. Guys, disclaimer for you people is see, this is like the first category and the most important category. So, इसमें 5 sports people ही हैं. So, please try to remember these 5 important names because there are higher chances of them asking इनमें से ही कोई एक. Okay, with their respective fields, of course. So let's talk about Manika Batra. So Manika Batra is the top ranked female table tennis player in India, and she has been ranked 63 in the world. Wow. Okay. She is good in playing long limbs on her backhand, a rubber which is not often played by top players. By the way, one more important point about her is in 2018 Commonwealth Olympic Games, she has won four medals. Two of them were gold, one was silver, and one was bronze. Next comes our Vinesh Phogat in wrestling and Rani Rampal in hockey. Rani Rampal is the captain of Indian hockey team. Okay, now let's move to our second category, which is Arjuna Awards. So, Arjuna Awards is given for the outstanding performance in sports and game. Is the sports honor of Republic of India. Okay, one additional information about this is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award आने से पहले Arjuna Award has been called as the most important award in the field of sport. Rajiv Gandhi Award आने के बाद it has been the second most important award. और अभी तक मतलब टोटल 881 इंडिविजुअल अवार्ड्स मिल चुके हैं लोगों को प्लस वन टीम अवार्ड हैज बीन गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया so basically the main definition of this award is good performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years at international level for having shown qualities of leadership sportsmanship and a sense of discipline. Okay, so now let's quickly go to the list of Arjuna Awards. So let me tell you something. इधर 27 लोगों को ये award मिला है. This is like the longest list in all the categories. So let me tell you तुम्हें ये सब करना कैसे है. So what you can do, आप ऐसा करना कि इन सबके नाम एक बार just read it out and obviously know their respective field also. तो इसमें से how they can ask the question. For example, they can ask you people in an odd one out manner या फिर what they can tell you कि ईशांत शर्मा like this is very common sense but हाँ ईशांत शर्मा को ये अवार्ड किस फील्ड में मिला है फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर उन्होंने बॉक्सिंग लिखा तो दैट्स रॉन्ग राइट सो यू हैव टू क्लियरली राइट कि नहीं उन्हें क्रिकेट में मिला है सो जैसे कह सकते हैं कि इसमें से गलत कौन सा है ऑड वन आउट कैसा है तो आई थिंक इस तरीके से दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन इन दिस कैटेगरी वैसे तो दिस इज सच अ लॉन्ग कैटेगरी आई डोंट थिंक दे शुड बी आस्किंग फ्रॉम दिस list but still you people just go through. It's a very long list. So let's move to our third category, which is Dronacharya Awards. Okay, so let's just start with this category also. So Dronacharya Awards. इसका मतलब होता है that it is being given for outstanding coaches in sports and game. And अभी तक 129 awards have been given by the government of India. Guys, focus. Again, the first people who have received this award are Balchandra Bhaskar Bhagwat, Om Prakash Bharadwaj, and O.M. Nambiar in 1985. Guys, always and always remember किनको ये award सबसे पहले मिला था. And in this award, there are two categories. Okay, let's go to the list now. The first category is lifetime category. So these are the people who have received this award. In दोनों category को मिला के there are 15 people. The other category is the regular category. अच्छा, so some of the important people I would love to talk about on is Jaspal Rana here for shooting. So he is an Indian shooter. He contested mainly in the 25-meter center fire pistol category. He was a gold medalist at the 1994 Asian Games and 1988 Commonwealth Games. Okay, so one more important person, Kuldeep Kumar Handu. So, guys, he's the first person from the Union Territory who has received this award, and he he is the national chief Wushu martial art coach. Okay, now let's move to the fourth category, which is Dhyan Chand Award. So This is the Lifetime Achievement Sporting Honor of the Republic of India, and I have already discussed above that this award is named after Dhyan Chand, an Indian field hockey player who scored more than 1,000 goals during a career which spanned over 20 years from 1926 to 1948. Guys, do read about the people who have received this award sabse pehle. So, and again, Government of India has given 75 awards, 75 Dhyan Chand awards till now. Now let's quickly go to the list of the people who has received this award. Okay, this is the list, and 15 people have received the award. Do read about them, like their names and their fields in which they have received the award. और उनके बारे में additional information is not that important. What you can do in this segment, you can just read about their names and their fields. I think that is like more than enough. Okay, guys, now let's move to our fifth category and the last category of awards is Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. This award is the National Adventure Award, and it is the highest adventure sports honor of Republic of India. The award is named after Tanzi Norgay, one of the first two individuals to reach the summit of Mount Everest along with Edmund Hillary in 1953. Guys, I forgot to mention कि ये award सबसे पहले 1994 में दिया गया था, and it has been given for the outstanding achievement in the field of adventure activities on land and sea and air over the last 3 years. And yeah, 139 लोगों को अभी तक ये award मिल चुका है. Okay, now let's quickly move to the list. Okay, these are the people who has received the National Adventure Award. Let's talk about late Magan Bissa, who has won Lifetime Achievement Award. So he was the director of National Adventure Foundation, and he has been known as the world-renowned parasailing controller. He was committed to the promotion of adventure activities and sports among the youth of the country, with special emphasis on the underprivileged section of the society. He was a great, great, great man, though. So, guys, this list is quite important because of the name actually. तो अगर इस list में से कुछ आ सकता है, so the name, the late Magan besides a very, very, very important name. And since I have explained this name, बाकी के पांच नाम तो वैसे भी land adventure में है, so I think it will be easier for you to remember this list. Now let's move further and let's talk about some other important awards also. So, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy, Makkah Trophy, which has been won by Punjab University in Chandigarh. Rashtriya Khel Awards में there are four categories. These are the four categories. And Lakshya Institute, ONGC. Okay, guys, you don't really have to know about the additional information, especially in this segment, because the name itself is enough. And I don't think so. This can be asked in the exam, but still, just read it out and do remember. And I guess we have covered all the slides now. And yeah, we have covered all the slides now. Okay, guys, so we have covered National Sports Award segment quite well. So you don't have to read anything from outside. Itna bhi kar loge, it will be fine. I mean, it will be more than fine. So, guys, I hope you like this video. And please, yeah, thoda like and share kar dena. We're gonna come up with more such videos. Till then, take care.